Namaste. I am Tika Shera. We have today the second day of food distribution here, and we are serving today the vegetable food, pure vegetable foods here for the poor families and those homeless and disabled people. So actually BTCN Nepal and the Great Compassion Project is serving the food from 2 months. We have distributed many places the rice, pulses, sugar and salt, oil, cooking oil, etc. And today we are actually serving the vegetable foods. And vegetable foods, in vegetable foods we have a special mushroom today, mushroom. We have and then a lot of vegetable items and also the fruits. Actually we don't serve meat because of the Great Compassion project has an aim that not to serve the meat or egg, because some people think that egg is also the meat, like a meat. It's not a vegetable, so that's why we don't also serve the egg. And then today we have more than 950 people are eating this food, and unfortunately the local authority is not allowing the many people in the queue today, and but so that we are going to their home and their rooms and their working places, so we distribute in their own places, because they don't want to gather the people there, many people, because if we keep the queue, the line will be very long and then there will be a huge crowd. So that's why we are not putting in the queue today. We are going their respective homes, their own homes, and we serve the food and water, yogurt and fruits. So these all things we provide. So thank you very much for the BTC Nepal team. All the teams are working very hard and they are doing good job. And also thank you very much for all the supporters, donors and helping hands. We wish all the best, and we always pray to Buddha for their peace, prosperity and happiness. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.